Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechRacks. In this video, we are going to focus on understanding lifecycle method in unmounting phase with an example. Unmounting phase consists of only one method, which is componentWillUnmount. It is used to cancel any outgoing network request or remove all event listeners associated with the component. This method gets called when component is about to remove from the DOM. Let's try to implement it to get better understanding. So this is our app component and we have one child component. This child component has state which is title learn react. We are just displaying that state in our browser. Now let's create one more state here. This dot state is equal to, we are going to create one boolean variable which is show title. And set it to true. So depends on the show title value, we are going to show our child component. So this should be this dot state dot show title. If it is true, then show this child component. So here we have used logical AND operator. And now create one more button. So whenever we are going to click on that button, our show title will be changing to false and we will not able to see the child component. Type is equal to button and create one on-click function here. This dot set state show title is equal to false. Now call this delete title on click event handler. This dot delete title delete title. Now we need to create our componentWillUnmount method inside our child component and need to alert from it whenever our component will be unmounted. So let's create that method. componentWillUnmount, and in this method we need to alert child component is about to unmount. Save this and run your code. Check in your browser. Now you can see here we got our title which is coming from child component, and this is our delete title button which is coming from parent component which is app component. So whenever we are going to click on this delete title button, our show title state will be changing to false and then our child component will not be visible here. So let's try that. When I'm clicking on this delete title button, I'm getting alert from child component saying child component is about to unmount. Click on OK and you can see your title has been gone. So this is the way you can implement unmounting phase in your code. In the upcoming videos, we will see more concepts related to the React.js. Stay tuned. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel TechRags. Thank you.